In this video, we will learn how to install Gameconfig in GTA 5. In GTA 5, in order to install the Gameconfig, all you need to do is open up your browser. From here, type in Gameconfig GTA 5, then hit enter. After that, head into the first website that is recommended in here. In here, you will find the Gameconfig file that is supported by most of the mods. After that, download the version you are using. If you are using the enhanced edition of GTA 5, download the first file. And if you are using the normal edition of GTA 5, which is the legacy one, you can download the second file. Just click on the download button. Then again download. Now your file should start downloading. After the files are downloaded, we'll firstly extract the file. From here, we'll head into the GTA config of the latest version. Now you have to select if you have more mods installed or less installed. We'll just click on less. From here, you can select the type of graphics and paid pedestrians that you have in your game. You can also use the stock graphic. And after you have come in here, you will see the game config file. Now, in order to set up, you need to open up OpenIV. In order to do that, from your Windows search panel, just click on OpenIV. Then click on open. Now click on GTA 5. Now your OpenIV will load. After the OpenIV loads, hit to the edit mode. Then click on yes. After that, head into mods, update, update.rpf, common, data. In here, you will find your base gameconfig.xml. All you need to do is from here just drag and drop it into this mod file. So after the replacement is done, which means that you have successfully installed your Gameconfig for GTA 5. Now you can exit the OpenIV, click on your game launcher and launch GTA 5. So this is how you can easily install Gameconfig for GTA 5 and enjoy the game as you please. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.